Hi everybody, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to do something that I haven't done on the channel for quite a while. I'm going to do a haul, and I'm doing a haul from Graceful Muse Paperie. It's her stunning mystery kit for September. As you know, I'm a PR for the shop, so if you use my code JODY15, you can receive 15% off your order. However, it's not usable on the mystery kits because they're already discounted. You can, however, put Jody in notes and you'll receive my freebie. So I haven't opened anything. I haven't looked at it. I thought we'd do that together. So first is this gorgeous journaling card, and it's the new one out for the month. You get that with all your orders. Excuse me. And so what I have here is the standard vertical kit. And so I'm going to show that to you. And you can get this as a one-off, or you can get it as part of the subscription. Now, it's cheaper to do a subscription than it is to have it one-off. You do get a bit of a discount. Okay. So first off, we have this really pretty fall freebie. And then along with the kit, you get, as an added bonus, you get the headers, 4 different kinds of headers, and they are foiled, and they're foiled in gold. And then this is the fall kit. This is the September mystery kit, and it is stunning. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love all of the traditional fall colors, and so this ticks that box. Then you get a page of the functionals, some fancy boxes and some swatches, and then your sidebar, whatnot, and the date covers. And then look at this gorgeous washi. It is beautiful. It's 2 strips, and they're one length, so you can cut them if you want, or you can send it into your sidebar. You got some deco, you've got some Polaroid boxes, and some torn washi strips. So that is the standard vertical kit. Next, I'm going to show you the decorator's bundle. You've got 2 bundles in the kit. This one is the larger bundle, and there is the second one that is a smaller bundle with 5 sheets in it. So with this one, you would get some of the stuff that you would buy, you can buy as add-ons. So let's go ahead in this. I'm super excited to see this because I love the theme, and Laura's decorator bundles are always absolutely gorgeous. Excuse me, I have a frog in my throat. Okay, so first off, we have the freebie again. And then we have this gorgeous, gorgeous September calendar. This is good for your journaling, or on the front of a notes page. And that's on transparent matte. Then we have these beautiful stamps. She's had these in the last few free mystery kits, and I just love them. They're so pretty. You could use them in a Hobonichi. You could use them in a bullet journal. So these are the torn washi papers, or the torn papers. And then here's a little mini kit. You could use this in a Hobonichi. You could use it in a mini planner. So you get all the boxes, and these are photographic photo boxes, and then the date covers. And then you have a set of scripts that say Hello September, and then September that you could use as a weekly. And again, that's on transparent matte. Then you do get the journaling kit. So this is the first page. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at these scenes. Little butterflies, some torn paper, some dots, some swashes. And then the second page, you've got this gorgeous strip. Now this is 2 pieces, so you can use them as headers on top of your date covers, down by your washi, your bottom washi. You could use it for a lot of different style of planning. Some more of the scenes, some floral pieces, a couple of little boxes, some more of your butterflies. You've got Monday to Sunday and this weekend to do, and these are all kiss cut. And then in here is some dots and flags. So that's the journaling kit. Then this is a page of washi strips. So again, this one's in 2 pieces. And then you get 2 other options. And these are little pieces that you can use above the boxes or date covers. Some really pretty deco along the side of a column. And then we have the deco sheets. And this one is on transparent mat. Isn't this beautiful? I just love Laura's kits. Her mystery kits have never failed to impress me. I've loved every single one of them. And then here's some florals. Some large pieces and some small pieces. And then they coordinate, everything coordinates with the vertical kit. And then we have some functionals. So this would be perfect for hoping to shoot cousin, which you could use with the deco, and you can use with the washi. And so it all, like I said, it all coordinates. And here is some vellum. So it is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to put it down so you can see it on some white. Isn't it lovely? And then this is a more neutral check pattern, like a grid pattern. So you get 2 pieces of that. So again, this is the decorator bundle and the standard vertical kit. And then there's the journaling card. So definitely get over to the shop and order yours now while you can. They're still in the shop for pre-order. And you're going to be so happy that you did. Thanks again. Bye now.